Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up web browsing on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search bar and search for View Network Connections and just open this up from the best match. And from here, you're gonna see your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I'm using Ethernet, so I see an Ethernet cable here. So I just need to select on this and right click on it and click on Properties. And from here, what I need to do is just make sure Internet Protocol version 4 is disabled from here. And I need to go to IPv4, which is Internet Protocol version 4, and go to the properties. And from here, I need to make sure use the following DNS server is selected. And I need to set up preferred DNS server here. I'm just going to use the Cloudflare DNS. So it's 1.1.1.1. And for the alternative one, it's 1.0.0.1. Then just click on OK. Now, this is the Cloudflare one, but if you want, you can use the one from Google as well. Then just click on OK. Then just click on OK again. Then just close all this. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and your web browser should speed up. And basically that is how to speed up web browsing on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.